We are showing use of the cottage cap installed over the 6-inch wide barrier foam. Scribe a line on the underside of the trim cap as shown and add 2 more lines 1 inch apart for the bend and cut lines. Create a hip starter cap that forms a 3D shape and wraps over the nose of the panel and back under the drip edge as shown. Make sure to align fasteners through the cap and foam. Use 2 fasteners through the nose of the cap on either side of the center line as shown. Continue to install the trim caps up the hip, fastening as you go. At the rake and ridge intersections, position the cap on top of the rake channel and fasten as shown. Cottage cap is installed over the 6-inch wide barrier foam. Make sure to align fasteners through the cap and foam. Use 2 fasteners through the nose of the cap on either side of centerline as shown. Continue installing the ridge caps across the ridge and fasten as you go. When using a continuous ridge vent, use foam tape across the ridge and fit the vent onto the foam and fasten in place as shown. Ridgemaster Plus 11 3/4 inch wide vent material is installed across the ridge. Install the caps across the vented ridge section, fastening as you go. Trim caps installation is now complete. For other trim cap options, consult the installation guidelines.